Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer money from your PNC bank account to Remitly in 2025. With the rise of digital banking, sending money internationally has never been easier, and this step-by-step guide will help you do it smoothly and securely. Whether you're supporting family abroad or handling investments, you'll be a pro in no time. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up with both PNC Bank and Remitly. Start by logging into your PNC Bank app or website using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfers or Payments section. It's usually front and center on the dashboard. Next, if you haven't already, you'll need to add Remitly as an external account. Go to the Add External Account option and enter the Remitly account details. Remitly might provide you with a routing number or specific instructions, so double-check that on their app. In 2025, PNC has streamlined this with enhanced security features like biometric verification, so keep an eye out for that prompt. Now, for the actual transfer. Select the amount you want to send, choose your funding source, your PNC checking or savings account, and confirm the details. Remember, transfers can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of days, depending on the method. ACH is free but slower, while wire transfers are faster but might have fees. Before you hit confirm, review everything carefully to avoid errors. Pro tip: always check for any promotional offers on Remitly that could waive fees or give you better exchange rates. If you run into issues, like account linking problems, contact PNC or Remitly customer support. They're available 24/7 in 2025. Once the transfer is complete, you'll get a confirmation email or notification. That's it. You've successfully moved money from PNC to Remitly. This process not only saves time but also keeps your transactions secure. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.